try to do things a little different and attempt to do a sunset instead. Now this could or could not turn out good. We're gonna obviously hope for good because I've been here raised now. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day. Today is a very special video because today we are getting glam. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be me attempting to try the viral cloud makeup trend. Yeah, wish me luck and let's get into it. So, as you can see, I already just started with my brows and my face makeup done. Well, I think it's safe to say that Nikki Tutorials is the one who like popularized it, because it was after she posted the video that like I saw it blow up. In her video, obviously, and a lot of the other recreations of like the cloud makeup look, they all use like the same like colors, the same blue. I am going to try to do things a little different and attempt to do a sunset instead. Now this could or could not turn out good. We're gonna obviously hope for good because okay, so I'm looking at a lot of sunset photos. There's some with pink and blue. A lot of them are mostly like orange, red, and yellow. So I'm going to try to blend those all together. There's not really any certain photo that's really like sticking out to me to like, okay, this is exact one I'm gonna recreate. So I'm just gonna use these colors and hope for the best. As you can see, these are kind of like, you know, you can see the colors that I'm talking about. So we're just going to get into it. So first I'm using this Shiny Cosmetics Bold and Bright Vivid eyeshadow palette, I think it's called. It's a mouthful. And I think I'm probably just gonna start with red and crease, because in a sunset that would probably will be like the darkest color. So I'm just gonna take like a normal eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to just gonna take the red from that palette, and I'm just going to start and I'm just gonna start packing that in my crease. Probably two reds. This one is kind of like dark maroony. That one barely looks like red, but that's like a true red. So I'm gonna start with this one, and I'm going to use that first, and we're going to hope for the best here. Just kind of like going a little on the lid. I'm not like, see, like I'm not like blending outwards yet, because I'm going to wait till like I do some like I can add like the other colors, because we're going to try to go for the best blend possible. So now we're going to take that other darker red I was talking about, and we're going to try to deepen the crease a little bit. Really want it to pop. And we're just going to pat it in there because we don't want it to blend in too much. We're just trying to give the crease a little bit of definition. I feel like I feel like we're gonna add just a teeny, I would say black, but I feel like black might make it too intense. So to stick with natural colors, I'm going to use a dark brown. And I like this one as far as like really dark browns go. And this is from the Maybelline Blush Nudes palette. And we're going to use the same brush because we don't want the brown to be too intense. And we're going to just pat that on there just to make sure our crease is popping. Got that handled. Now what we're going to need to do is add our pink in there, and I think that it'd be smartest to go for Met's pink since obviously they're like really similar. And this is a nice hot pink that I like using when I want to use pink from the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, like the bright colorful one. And so then I'm just gonna take a different brush and I'm going to add that right on top of the red and then blend it in. So if a oh, where'd my brush go? Like oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. Wait, I didn't wanna. And then we're gonna go for like the more yellow orange. So far, I think these are working well. So let's hope it stays that way. Now we're going, so we use this one, like I said. So with this one, I'm also adding a little bit of like the actual yellow that's included in that palette, and then I'm just like patting that on top. And we're not really going to blend that together because we really want to bring out the yellow, but I am going back where we really want the yellow to pop. So now I am still going back where I have the red initially and just patting like a little bit in because we want to make sure all of our colors are seen. Okay, I think we're going to go for more of like an orange right there because we want it to pop. That's on the inner corner. So we're gonna use the, I feel like we're gonna, I think I'm going to mix together like the yellow orange and like the dark orange together because we want there to be like vibrant orange. Oh, this is working out nicely. Okay, good. So we're just gonna keep doing that. And so now we're also gonna take some other pink and kind of like blend this out a little bit so it looks kind of like blended. And we're just gonna like whittle that right there to blend that out. And for that, I'm using this pink because it's not as like neon as the other one we were using. I'm going to use a little bit of blue right there just to make sure it looks all nice and sunsetty. What I think I'm gonna try to do is cut the crease first with this like white eyeshadow base. Focus, focus, focus. I think that's focus. And we're going to use this light blue right here from that same NYX palette we've been using, and we're gonna kind of just like blend it right there because we need a little bit more blue. Ooh, this is turning out so good. What we're going to do is do the bottom lid, I think, to add a blue on the bottom because it's like the sunset over the water and such. I'm not sure what blue I want to use, if it's this one which really speaks to me or this one which is kind of like periwinkly a little bit. So I'm just gonna swatch it, and I feel like the more periwinkly one goes better with the color. So we're just gonna like pack that underneath. We do need a little bit of purple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this from the Venus 3 palette called Paradise, and we're gonna dust that under the blue to add the purple that we need. And I will be using this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. Our lashes using Ardell Wispies, and we're gonna go ahead and do our highlight and our inner corner highlight while we wait for that. For our highlight, what I did, I just mixed this liquid highlighter that I got from Rue 21 with my favorite Wet n Wild highlighter, which is in the shade Precious Petals. And now we're just going to finish off now with lipstick, and I think this one I finally found the perfect like nude, like pink color. Obviously, black women know it's kind of difficult to find like proper pinks, but this one is perfect. So if anyone like around my skin color, this will work. And this is the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in Give Me Mocha. Okay, and we're done. I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom you guys up so you can see the look a little bit better. That concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like, and when you subscribe, be sure to turn on the notification bell down below to keep up with when I post. And I will see you next time. Peace out. Peace out.
Used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun goes set. And every day, where we ride through the back streets.